How can you save time and repurpose one YouTube video into multiple pieces of content? In this video, I'm going to be sharing my latest strategy to show you exactly how to do that. If you want to learn how to create a lead generating system with YouTube, make sure to click the link below to watch my free masterclass. Although YouTube Shorts are a great way to grow your channel, I still believe that long form video is your #1 play. Why? Well, YouTube's most important metric is watch time. So the longer your videos are, the more watch time you're most likely going to get. If you only post YouTube Shorts that are 60 seconds long, your watch time is going to be a lot smaller. Now, that doesn't mean that you should forget about YouTube Shorts altogether, because going into 2023, we know that YouTube is going to be pushing YouTube Shorts on their suggested feed a lot more. So really, the best strategy is to be using both short form and long form content together. But how can you do this without reinventing the wheel each and every time? Well, by starting with long form video first. Then once you have your long form video created, you can break it down into smaller pieces of content that can go out to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and all of the other places. So how do we do this? Let's break it all down together. The first thing I want you to do is choose your social media platforms and the mediums that you're going to create content on. So for example, let's say your social media platforms are Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Okay, so those three. I want you to think about the different types of mediums that need to be created for each of those channels. And when I say mediums, I mean, is it going to be a graphic post? Is it going to be a carousel? Is it going to be short form video? What is the medium that needs to be created for each of those platforms? So for example, for Instagram, we would want to create an Instagram story, maybe a reel, and maybe a static image post that can go out. For YouTube, we would want to create that long form piece of content, right, that we're starting with first, but then we also want to create the shorter, maybe 60-second pieces of content for YouTube Shorts. And then for TikTok, we would want to create those shorter pieces of video content as well. Next, I want you to match your mediums together. As you can see from what we described before, there's really only 3 types of content we need to create. We need to create a long form piece of content, short form piece of content, and a caption, right? Or a static post that's going to go on Instagram. But the key here is that you already have one long form video created, right? So really what I want you to do now is think about, from that long video, what pieces or tips or points could we pull from that long form video to create these other pieces? So that's step number 3, breaking down your longer form video. Let's do an example together. Let's say that your long form video for YouTube was 3 tips to getting more views on your website copy. So I would want you to look at your long form video and say, okay, so there's 3 tips that we're explaining in this video. We could pull at least 3 videos from that long form video, right? 1 little video for each of those tips. So that's 3 short form videos for TikTok, 3 short form videos for IG Reels, 3 Instagram stories, 3 static tip posts, right, with an image, and 3 short form videos for YouTube Shorts. From here, we're going to move on to the last and final step, which is organizing all of these smaller edited short form pieces onto your social media platforms. Pretty simple, right? Let's go through a real life example together. Okay, let's walk through how to organize this in my favorite project management tool, Asana. So this is my template for my YouTube videos. And if you want access to this exact template of how to do this, how I walk through it, this exact card in here where everything is laid out for you, you can click the link below and purchase that today. And you will be able to be set up with the exact system that I use inside of my business and for all my clients. But let's just go through a quick example together of what I explained earlier in this video. So I'm just going to add a task here. And we said that the video was going to be 3 tips for getting more views on my website copy, right? That was what we said the video was going to be. So let's just see how we could do this together. So then I would create some subtasks, right? I would say, okay, so I said that my 3 platforms were Instagram, YouTube, right? Which is what this card's for, YouTube, and TikTok. And we said that we needed to create content for all of these. And so we already did the 3 steps together earlier in this video, right? So I need to create TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts, right? I need to create maybe an Instagram story and a static image post. Okay, so let's say those are the 4 types of mediums or 4 areas that we need to break down, right? Like we said earlier. So now that we have this done, we can either assign these to our editor, right? And then we also, needed our full edited YouTube video, right? So we could assign these to our editor if we had one on our team, or a VA that's helping us, or we could do this ourselves. But this is just to create a system for yourself to keep yourself organized. And like I said, if you want my full templates with everything that I use step by step, then you can click the link below to purchase that. But this is just a really simplified version of it. So from there, you can start to assign yourself dates. So you could say, okay, so according to my content calendar, my publishing schedule, I want my TikTok videos to go out on Monday, and maybe I want my YouTube shorts to go out on Wednesday, and my Instagram story to go out on Thursday. My YouTube full edited video is going to go out on Monday, and the static image post is going to go out on, tomorrow. So maybe that's what you've decided in terms of your content schedule. Now keep in mind that you are going to have multiple versions of each of these. So if your video is 3 tips, right? Like I said earlier, 3 tips, you're probably going to have 3 TikTok videos and 3 YouTube shorts, right? For your Instagram story, maybe you only have 1, and maybe you only have 1 image post. I'll leave that up to your discretion depending on what kind of information is inside of your video. But let's say you have 3 TikTok videos and 3 YouTube shorts. You would want to come onto your content calendar and organize that. So this would be a nice little checklist for you to stay organized. And then what you could do is you could come over into the calendar portion of Asana and start to map this out. So let's say your YouTube video comes out here, right? And then you say, okay, well, I want my static post to go here, right? I want 1 YouTube short to go here, YouTube short 1. Maybe you want YouTube short 2 to come here, and maybe you want YouTube short 3 to come here. Then you think, okay, for TikTok, I want maybe 1 TikTok 1 to come here. Maybe you want TikTok 2 here, and maybe you want TikTok 3 here, okay? And then you think, okay, what were my other options here? Well, my YouTube video is coming here, my static post is coming here. Maybe I want my Instagram story to come here, to come there, right? And now you have all of the pieces mapped out on your content calendar, and you would just do this over and over again for each week. So you would have another YouTube video here, right? And you would follow the same pattern. So I hope this is showing you visually how once you have those 3 steps that we talked about earlier figured out, it's just a matter of plugging and playing them onto a content calendar and then creating whatever graphics you need to put them together and then posting them up onto your social media channels.
So as you can see, it's really about working smarter and not harder. If you want to learn more about how your long form video and short form video work together on YouTube, make sure to check out my YouTube Shorts tutorial. I'll make sure to link it in the YouTube cards above here for you. This is going to show you how you can actually pull YouTube Shorts straight from your long form video right in the Creator Studio app. Now, if you want to learn more about repurposing your content and getting a strategy in place, make sure to click the link below to book a call with me today so we can find out the best way that I can help you. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos here on this channel. And we'll catch you next week. Bye.